Congruence transformation. A congruence transformation is a transformation that maps a figure onto another figure. This is also where we start thinking about proving that figures are congruent. If we can take a figure and move it left, right, up, down, rotate it, translate it, reflect it onto another figure, then we can actually prove that they are congruent figures. Example 2. Describe a congruence transformation that maps parallelogram ABCD to parallelogram EFGH. Now, the first thing I'm looking at is ABCD, which is we have to get the blue one onto the green one. And notice that he's kind of like facing up and to the right. And this guy, on the other hand, is facing like up and to the left. So the orientation's kind of off. So the first thing I'm thinking is maybe if I could reflect it over the y-axis, it would change its orientation. So point A is going to reflect over here, point D is going to reflect over here, point C will reflect to here, and point B will reflect to here. So now, if I look at my orientation, the guy in red is now facing up and to the left, and the guy in green is also facing up and to the left, which is what we wanted. Now I have to get the red one to the green one, so I'm thinking I probably have to move it down. And specifically 1, 2, 3, 4, if I move it down 4, that should do it. So if I take my other point, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, then I get there. So first of all, this is your similarity transformation. And second of all, essentially what you've just done is you've proven that the blue parallelogram is congruent to the green one. Number 3, describe a congruence transformation that maps triangle JKL to triangle MNP. So starting out, once again, we're going from blue to green. I'm thinking, well, this guy's upside down. So I'm going to reflect him, but this time over the x-axis because I want him to reflect down. So J will reflect down here, L will reflect down here, and K will reflect down here. And we'll be looking at this figure. Now I need to get the red one onto the green one by moving it to the right. And I'm going to move it to the right 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I take this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we move it right 5.